Alright, welcome back everyone. This is my second part of this video with the eggplant. Okay, here's the eggplant. I'm going to be putting the ground beef in with the eggplant now. Getting that in there. Sorry, forgive me, I'm not feeling well. I apologize if the video doesn't turn out that well. Gotta pause the video for a moment. Alright. Just combining pasta sauce in there. Forgive me, this gimbal is acting screwy. Alright, get over this way. Now what I'm doing is I'm combining the ingredients in here. And the beef, the eggplant. Put the rice in there. Sorry, this camera's acting screwy. I apologize. I really do. Just forgive me. Putting the rice in with it. This is the eggplant that I cooked the other day, and I didn't have the other ingredients handy. I didn't have the pasta sauce, I didn't have the mozzarella and the ground meat. Just putting it together now, even though I'm not feeling well. Just getting the rice mixed in with it. Now I'm gonna finish this off, baking this at 350 degrees. Put mozzarella in there. I know it looks like crap. It's gonna be yummy when it's done. I'm just trying to get the mozzarella to go in there because I don't want it to stick all to the tin foil. Alright. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you to my subscribers. Thanks to the viewers out there for taking the time. Put some more mozzarella. Get that in there. Alright, now I'm heating the oven up at 350 degrees to finish this process off. And then I'm going to fill my belly after with this. And I gotta step out of the video for a moment. I gotta pause. Okay, I had to grab some foil. There it is here. Everything's combined now. The ground beef, the rice, the eggplant, the mozzarella, the pasta sauce. Sorry, this camera's acting kind of screwy. A lot of screwy stuff been going on the last few days. Alright, now I'm just waiting for my oven to heat up. Bake this for an hour and a half, 350 degrees. Alright, and then I will show you the finished product when it comes